What's up? My name is Mike. This is my 2013 FRS and welcome to the channel. I wanted to take the time to introduce myself and introduce my car before we get started on anything. I picked up this car in really terrible shape, like really bad shape. And the only reason that it's in kind of worse shape now is because it was involved in a hit and run. Which, brings me to why I'm making this video. I had been wanting to start, posting things about the car and, making videos about the car. I just hadn't had the chance. And with the hit and run happening, I figured I might not get the chance if I just keep putting it off. And so here we are. So I have big plans for it. And I know a lot of people say that, oh, I have big plans for my car. I actually have big plans for this car. Like this car, I want it to represent something, and I want it to look good while it does that. So welcome to the journey. Now, I know I'm just some random guy that you happen to stumble across on YouTube, but if you like car content and if you like builds, and if you're part of the community like I have been for so many years, then you'll want to stay tuned for this one. So like, comment, subscribe, tell me your build. What are you building right now? Let me know so I can keep entertained while I'm doing this stuff. Let me know. Peace.